Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us for this year's Cyber Monday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Cyber Monday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here, you're going to find even more amazing Cyber Monday deals from our 36 Cyber Monday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in form of landing page layouts, Divi theme builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/cybermonday or click the link in the video description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area perks page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. Today, we're highlighting gift number 6, the Divi footer layout pack. This footer layout pack is full of distinct footer designs that can be used on a wide variety of websites. With 10 different designs to choose from, you're sure to find something you like. In this video, we'll show you how to download these footer layouts and use them on your very own Divi website. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a closer look at gift number 6. All of the Divi footer layout downloads can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log into the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you are logged in, click the link on the far right of the members area menu called Cyber Monday Perks. Under Cyber Monday Perks, find the header and footer layout pack perk and click the download the pack button to download the footer layouts. Once the Divi header footer packs file has been downloaded, unzip the folder and open it. Inside here at the top, we're going to open up the footer pack folder. Here you will see a total of 11 JSON files included. 10 of the files can be used to import each of the footer layouts individually. One of the files is called divifooterpack.json, and this file can be used to import all of the footers to your Divi library at once. Now that you have the footer layout files ready, you can use them to import the footers to your Divi library. Once done, they'll be ready to add to any page or template on your site. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi library. From here, click the import and export button at the top of the page. In the portability modal, go to the tab called import. And now let's select our file. Again, we're going to go to Divi header footer packs, select the footer pack, and from here, we can either select just one individual footer, or we can import all of them at once with the divifooterpack.json. Now we're going to click Import Divi Builder Layouts. And just like that, all 10 of our Divi footer layouts are in our Divi library. With all 10 Divi footer layouts successfully imported into our Divi library, we can now easily add them to any page or post on our site. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, All Pages. Now hover over a page that you want to add the new layout to and click the Edit link. We're going to click on this plus icon right here, which is Load from Library. And from here, we're going to select the Your Saved Layouts tab. And here we can see all 10 of our Divi footer layouts. Before we select one, make sure you turn off Replace Existing Content. We do not want this selected. All we have to do now is select a footer. I'll go with Divi footer number 1. Once that's imported, if we scroll down, we can now see our footer is a part of our page. Before updating our page, I recommend that you scroll down, go to the page attributes section, and change template from default to blank. This is to keep the default footer and the header from showing up on your page. Now that we've done that, we can scroll back up and click update. Now let's check out our updated page. And just like that, if we scroll down, footer number 1 has successfully been added to my sample page. If you want to apply one of the footer layouts to all of your pages and posts site-wide, you will need to use the footer layout in a new theme builder template. Since this is a footer, you may want to add it to the default website template as a global footer. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Theme Builder. Now we're going to click on this section called Add Global Footer. And from here, we're going to select Build Global Footer. We're going to choose the option in the middle. Choose a pre-made layout. This should look familiar. This is our library. And again, we're going to go back to the tab called Your Saved Layouts. All we have to do now is select our footer. And for this example, I'll choose Divi footer number 4. And just like that, it's giving us a preview of our brand new footer that's going to be applied site-wide. But before I close this page, you want to make sure you click the Save button at the bottom right. Once that's successful, we need to click the X at the top right of the page. And one last step is to click the Save Changes button above the Divi Theme Builder. And here's my website. It looks pretty normal until I scroll down and we're greeted by Divi footer number 4. We hope you enjoy our Cyber Monday gift number 6, the Divi footer layout pack. If you like what you see here, be sure to check out our Cyber Monday sale to get this massive footer layout pack and much more. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you're enjoying our 2019 Cyber Monday deal and all the special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long and it'll be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Cyber Monday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.